Pipettes have long been used for accurate transfer of liquids by researchers. Early pipettes, such as Pasteur pipettes, were made of glass and marked for specific volumes. Such pipettes also required a source of suction, and in the early days of chemistry and biology, pipetting was usually done by mouth, often with horrible consequences. The introduction of modern pipettes has revolutionized liquid handling in the laboratory, improving accuracy, reproducibility, precision, and safety. A large variety of pipettes are currently available to support different applications and fluid types, and choosing the best pipette for the task may not be as simple as you think. It is important to consider what type of liquid you are trying to transfer when selecting a pipette. Air displacement pipettes are designed for many general laboratory procedures and are well suited for transfer of aqueous samples. They are driven by a piston within an airtight sleeve that generates a vacuum through its vertical travel. For dispensing more difficult samples, including heavy or viscous fluids, as well as dense, volatile, radioactive, or corrosive samples, a positive displacement pipette is a better solution. These pipettes are driven by a disposable piston that is in direct contact with the sample. Your choice of pipette may also depend on the application and usage. Single-channel pipettes are the Swiss Army knives of liquid handling and are able to take on most laboratory applications. Depending on the accuracy you require, you'll have to select either a fixed volume or adjustable volume pipette. Because the mechanisms of fixed volume pipettes are less complex, they are often more accurate, but are less flexible in their application. For applications that involve multi-well plates, such as PCR and ELISA, a multi-channel pipette is ideal. These offer rapid transfer of liquids to microplates and are available with between 4 and 64 channels. For repetitive serial pipetting, common in biochemistry, immunology, and microbiology labs, a repeating pipette may be the best choice. These pipettes quickly dispense fluids in the same volume without the need to refill the pipette after each volume is dispensed. Whether manual or electronic, the pipette you choose should be balanced and lightweight. With a manual pipette, the plunger should be light and smooth, and the tip ejection should involve minimal effort. With some mechanical pipettes, several kilos of pressure may be required to depress the plunger. Over the course of a day's work, which may involve thousands of movements, this quickly adds up. 4,000 to 5,000 kilos of pressure may need to be exerted, the weight of an average elephant. If your daily routine requires frequent pipetting, you may wish to consider an electronic pipette. Electronic pipettes often offer increased accuracy and precision as there is less opportunity for operator error. And with reduced force and hand movements required, they reduce the risk for serious repetitive stress injuries. Pipette tips are an important part of a liquid handling system. Make sure that your manufacturer can provide a versatile range of tips that ensure maximum sample accuracy with little retention and are of proven quality. Specialized tips with interlocking technology can ensure a complete seal on every channel with no loose tips for improved reproducibility. Finally, consider the service that your manufacturer offers. Make sure that calibration and repair services are available and that the product has an adequate warranty and that technical support is available should you need it. Follow these simple steps and you'll be pipetting like a pro in no time. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business. Brought to you by Thermoscientific.